Hey guys, what's up? So last week we got the complete spec sheet of the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra courtesy of Roland, and now we have the same for the Tab S7 and S7 Plus from the same source. Samsung is going to announce these alongside the Note 20 on the 5th of August in an online unpacked event, which is a first for the company. The new tablets are supposed to bring a lot of improvements over the Tab S6, and the company is going to launch two models for the first time with varying sizes. The Galaxy Tab S7 will have an 11-inch display, and what's interesting is that it will be the first ever Samsung tablet to have an LCD screen, which is a disappointment. I mean, Samsung is famous for its AMOLED displays, but as to why are they still using an LCD panel is out of my mind. The panel does feature a 120Hz refresh rate though, so that might be one of the reasons a 120Hz LCD costs less than a 120Hz AMOLED. The tab has a resolution of 2560 by 1600 with a pixel density of 274 ppi and a maximum brightness of 500 nits. Due to the LCD screen, the fingerprint sensor can't be placed under the screen, and so it is mounted on the side. The Galaxy Tab S7 Plus on the other hand has a 12.4-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2800 by 1752, giving the pixel density of 287 ppi. The maximum brightness is capped at 420 nits, which is less than the Tab S7, but the AMOLED panel should make up for it anyway. The tablet features an under-display fingerprint sensor courtesy of the AMOLED panel. Both the tablets come with support for the S Pen that has a latency of just 9 milliseconds like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that should give it a real pen-like feel while using it on those smooth 120Hz displays. The 9 millisecond latency is similar to the Apple Pencil on the iPad Pro line. The tablets will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC along with at least 6GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The 5G version might have double the base storage at 256GB. These will feature a dual rear camera setup with a 13-megapixel main and a 5-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, while the front camera has an 8-megapixel resolution. Cameras aren't used a lot on tablets anyway, so these should get the job done. Talking about the battery sizes, the Tab S7 has a 7040 mAh cell, while the bigger Tab S7 Plus has a 10090 mAh. While both the tabs should support charging at 45 watts, Samsung would only bundle a 15-watt charger in the box, which would take a few hours to charge them completely, which is sad. Samsung should at least bundle a 25-watt charger in the box, if not the 45-watt brick. Both these tablets are one of the slimmest. The Tab S7 Plus measures a mere 5.7mm, which is 0.2mm thinner than the 2020 iPad Pro, while the Tab S7 has a thickness of about 6.34mm. While it will give it a sleek profile, I hope it won't bend like the iPads. The Tab S7 weighs in at 495 grams, while the S7 Plus comes in at 590. These will be offered in Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black and Mystic Silver, which can be seen in these renders. Samsung will also offer a new keyboard accessory alongside these with a built-in trackpad in competition to the iPad Pro's keyboard. It will also offer the wireless DeX experience just like the Note 20 smartphones. These also have 4 AKG tuned speakers to enhance the media viewing experience, and that sums up both the new tablets from Samsung. These look like a nice pair of tablets, but it will be very difficult to beat the mighty iPad, which is in a league of its own. If Samsung is serious about these, then they should focus on improving the software experience, which is nowhere near the iPad. Do let me know what do you think about them down in the comments. Also in the news, the camera sensor of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has been revealed by Ice Universe, and it is the same IMX555 from the Galaxy S20. It was assumed that Samsung might utilize the newer 50-megapixel ISOCELL GN1 sensor, but that isn't the case, and with this info, it seems like the cameras will be similar to the S20 Samsung 64-megapixel telephoto lens, which will be replaced by an 8-megapixel 3x telephoto camera. The phone will come with an IP68 rating, a 120Hz Super AMOLED display, and will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 along with at least 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It might be priced at $750, which is $100 over the Galaxy S10 Lite, but the improvements should justify the increment. That's it for this video. Do let me know what do you think about this down in the comments. Smash the like button if you like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.